Cutting mat and cutting ruler, are these worth it? Let's find out. Hey, it's Pam Duthie. It's a Wednesday, so it must be a needle felting supplies and equipment review. Every Wednesday I make videos just like this, so if this is something you're interested in, please don't forget, come back every Wednesday. I'd like to remind you all I'm not sponsored for any of these videos. If ever I am sponsored, then I'll let you know. Where I can find these items at sensible prices, I will leave links in the comments down below. And some of these links might be affiliate links. I'll let you know if they are. These don't cost you anything, but they just help my channel. Okay, so the other week when we reviewed the cutting roller, a few people kind of asked me about the cutting mat and the ruler that I was using, so I just wanted to talk about these. First of all, let's go back down and have a close look at them. The ruler is specially designed to go with the cutting roller in that one side of it just has a small metal protector on it so that you can run the cutter alongside it. Because trust me, the cutter is powerful enough that it will cut through a ruler, so it needs the bit of metal. This is just a bit of protection, so it completely does its job perfectly. If you're needing to cut straight lines and you have a rotary cutter like this, then I would completely say you need a ruler like this. And the mat itself is a Jacker cutting mat. These are self-healing mats. I won't say they never get damaged, but they're much less damaged that as you cut over them, the cuts tend to heal up a little bit. So over time they do start to obviously show a bit of wear. But for a very lightweight, thin mat, they give great protection that you can cut on. You get them in all different sizes. I'm using the A4 size, and I actually use this as my mouse mat when I'm not cutting on it. I use it all the time. But they come in all sorts of sizes, right up to massive sizes. If you were cutting lots of fabric for like dresses or whatever, you can just get a full size one and then you're able to cut with your roller. So they are so useful together. If you're getting the cutting roller, you absolutely need one of these self-healing cutting mats, just basically to protect all your surfaces. The roller is so sharp that if you don't have a cutting mat, you're just going to damage everything. So this is a must-have. And the ruler, again, if you're cutting lots of straight lines with your roller, then you are going to need some kind of protected ruler. You could also use a metal ruler, that would be protected as well, but this little ruler is just nice and light and relatively cheap, and it just has the small amount of protection. So equally, yes, I would say you need these two things if you're getting a cutting roller. Okay, so I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget, click on my wee face, come back every Wednesday, and up here is a video that YouTube's picked just for you to watch. Thank you so much for joining me.